All right, hey, Josh, Attica Lumber. Here's what we got going on here. We got a 40 by 80 footprint, 40 by 60 storage. You can hear, obviously, the guys are banging away. But we have a 20, see that porch right there, 20 by 40, I believe, or a 20 by 20 right there. Gonna be an open porch. You can see privacy windows, or, you know, windows that are up a little bit higher on the east side. But let's, you can see it's a mud hole out here today. Beautiful setting though. You see it in the woods. A lot of privacy back here and so forth. The owner gave us the clearance to shoot this video. But let's take a look here as we walk. I don't got my boots on, so we're gonna be selective on where we walk around here. You can see the trusses right there. Again, made here by our sister company, Ohio Truss. 2x6 bottom cord, and then also top cord. Again, msrlumber. Again, I've talked about that in previous videos about machine stress rated. Again, it's a stronger density, better way to obviously just a stronger truss system, and obviously that's important. Pretty self-explanatory for a roof system here and so forth. This is Ohio, so you know, we do get some inclement weather, you know, snow, hail, hard rain, so you definitely want to have a strong roof system in place. You can see right there that girder truss. That's what we call that, a girder truss on the porch side. You can see the house wrap. They've done a little bit here on the gable side, but you can see what they're doing on the inside. Actually, this building's going to get concrete, and I may come back and show you a finished product here, but you can see what the guys are doing here, and then also it's going to get a ceiling, a white ceiling, so they're prepping that as well. But let's take a look here as we walk and so forth. You can see 2x6 sidewall purlins. The white coil stock right here above the overhead door as well, and the overhead door trim is going to be brown, it looks like. But on this building right here, vapor barrier. As you can see, we use vapor barrier. But let's just check it out. You can see what these guys are doing right here, how they're operating. See them in real time. This building we use 3-ply laminated columns. Again, previous videos we talked about, you know, on this building obviously we're spaced a little bit wider, but fan of 3-ply laminated columns, different structural strength. Let's take a look here at, again, we talked about the pressure points. See that pressure point right there? Boom, one pressure point, boom, pressure point, and then boom, pressure point. So, for more information, you can visit atticalumber.com, or you can call us at 419-426-BARN. Attica Lumber, since 1945.